Good day, please introduce yourself.
Hello, ma'am, sir. I'm Vanessa C. Gapon, 27 years old. I was born on February 15, 1988. I finished 2 years of computer programming at Central Institute of Technology Colleges.
Okay, how old are you?
I'm 27,
27 years old. What is your height and your weight?
5 feet and 45 kilos.
Okay, are you married or single?
Single ma'am?
Okay, but do you have children?
No.
Single, no children. How many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have 3 brothers and 1 sister.
Okay, so how about your parents? Are you living together with them inside your house?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, how old is your parents?
66 is my father and my mother is 65.
Okay, so are you ex abroad?
No, ma'am.
It's your first time applying abroad.
Yes, ma'am.
How about here in the Philippines? Do you have any experience related to domestic helper?
Yes, ma'am. I've been working 2013 from 2015.
Inside the house?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so how many family members you serve?
I serve one family only.
How many family members?
One mother and 2 children.
How old are the children?
3 the one is 3 years old and the other one is 1 year old.
Okay. So, what are your duties and responsibilities inside your house?
Doing household chores.
Like?
Cleaning the house, cooking, taking care of the kids.
Okay, so what are the things that you what are the things that you do taking care of their kids?
I'm taking a bath of other children and feeding milk.
What else?
I'm singing a lullaby when they get sleep at night.
So, can you show us the sample of that song?
Something like this. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Okay, thank you. What a beautiful song. And you said that you cook inside their house. You also do that? Okay, what kind of dishes can you cook?
Filipino dishes, ma'am.
Like?
Like adobo, sinigang, and vegetables.
Okay, and how about Chinese dishes?
I don't have yet.
Okay, but if your employer in Hong Kong wants you to cook Chinese dishes for them, are you willing?
Yes, ma'am. I'm willing to learn. Learn to cook for them.
Okay. So, what are the appliances that you know how to operate?
Aircon, washing machine,